In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a cron job in Hostinger's hPanel. Let's get started with a step-by-step walkthrough that will make the process straightforward and easy to understand. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Hostinger hPanel. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Hostinger login page. Once there, enter your credentials to log into your account. If you're new to Hostinger, these credentials would have been provided to you when you first signed up. If you have any trouble remembering your details, there's always the option to reset your password on the login page. Now that you're inside the hPanel, head over to the section labeled Advanced, which you can find on the sidebar menu. This section is where most of the more technical features lie. Under Advanced, you'll find an option for Cron Jobs. Click on this and you'll be directed to the Cron Jobs Management Interface. Once you arrive at the Cron Jobs page, you'll want to click on Add New Cron Job. This button will allow you to set up a new scheduled task. Cron jobs are particularly useful for automating repetitive tasks on your server, such as running scripts at specified intervals. This is a fantastic way to ensure consistent performance and efficiency for whatever processes you need managed without regular manual intervention. After you've clicked the Add New Cron Job button, the next step involves setting the command and scheduling the interval for the task. In the command box, input the specific script or command you want to execute. This could be a path to a script or any system command you need to run at scheduled times. When it comes to setting intervals, you have quite a few options. Cron jobs operate on 5 time intervals: minute, hour, day, month, and weekday. You can create a schedule that runs every few minutes, every hour, or as rarely as once a month, whatever suits your specific task requirements. It's important to carefully consider how often your task needs to run, balancing performance and resource demands. With everything set up, make sure to hit the Save button to store your newly configured cron job. Saving your cron job will enable it to run at the intervals you've specified, executing the commands you've set. Finally, once your cron job is saved, take a moment to monitor its execution. Make sure everything is running smoothly. This helps in verifying that your scheduled tasks are executing correctly, and you can always adjust configurations as necessary for optimal performance. That's all there is to it. Setting up cron jobs in Hostinger's hPanel is an efficient and time-saving way to handle repeated tasks automatically. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and feel free to check back for more tips and guides on maximizing your Hostinger experience.